Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can create a perfect thumbnail by using ChatGPT plus Canva AI in 2 minutes. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you can see we are already landed in Canva, so we just need to open our ChatGPT in here. Once I open it in that place, you will get something like this. So here I will write a prompt that will be give me a prompt for thumbnail. Give me a prompt thumbnail for my Philippines trip, and this one will be our main subject. So you just need to write a good prompt for that. Then if you describe it wildly, then you will get a good result. So it's totally depend on your thinking and your description. So just click enter and then they will give you a prompt. So here you can say boyfriend saw me some trouble. So you just need to copy that one whole things, like copy this prompt and then come back to the Canva and then visit to Canva AI, and here you just need to paste your prompt in that place, and then you can add media if you want to use your image actually. So now you can create an image, or like click this one. Once you click over here, now you just need to select your style. You can choose any of them style in from that place which you think will be the perfect with you. So I don't want to select any, that's why I will click this submit button. Once I click over here, then it will take a couple of minutes to generate the thumbnail. So here you can see private, this one you can able to see that place, and here actually you can see it already been generated and it looks really amazing. So now if you want to use your image, you just need to click here and then add your image in that place. Let's say I'm going to use this image and I will click this one and let's generate this one again. So here free user cannot use image attachment and in this mode please upgrade to continue. So you need a premium one if you want to use your personalized image in that place. So I have understand how easy the process was to generate a thumbnail by using Canva AI and ChatGPT. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.